welcome back to our channel. I'm Lindsay.
I'm Chris, and we're the Fowlers.
And we're here today in Magic Kingdom for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, and we're super excited to show you guys this, so let's go have some fun.
Thank you.
We've been here 5 minutes and already got our first treat. It's an almond brownie dark chocolate square. It's a Snickers. We're going to ride my most favoriteest ride ever, the PeopleMover.
Welcome aboard the PeopleMover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Borak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky. Keep absolutely.
Let's see if we can get some good footage of the castle.
Your express train keeps on rolling through.
Isn't she beautiful?
Right by two of my favorite spots.
Approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks of the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Man, since the last time we were here, there's a lot done. The walkway's almost done now.
Take the time to see this show.
Space Rangers, concentrate your firepower on third secret weapon.
Lifting disabled. Prepare for re-entry.
Space Rangers, concentrate your firepower on third secret weapon.
Lifting disabled. Prepare for re-entry.
Space
trick-or-treat spot of the night. So these indicate that it's a trick-or-treat spot, and this one's in Pinocchio Village House.
Hello, happy Halloween. Thank you.
We're gonna ride Peter Pan's flight. Away we go!
On to Neverland!
Isn't it cool? Look, the pirate ship. There's Mia and Captain Hook.
We shoot Santa.
There's the Lost Boys. Okay, so it's just now 7:30. We're getting ready to get on to Small World.
Yes.
And this is our 5th ride of the night.
PeopleMovers, Alice.
The Haunted Mansion.
We're getting there.
We're getting there. The Pooh.
And
So
Peter
this
Pan.
will be number 5.
So we're getting ready to get on our 5th ride. We've done 2 treat trails and special photos. So for the brides of the party, it's worth it because you get to ride so many rides in so little time. We didn't get here till 5 today. This is the longest ride ever. Love all the Mary Blair art. And you can actually see into the Pinocchio restaurant from Small World, if you didn't know that. It's a small world after all.
King Kangaroos. With her wonky eyes. Tell Jason to look at her wonky eyes. The hippo. The hippo. That's my favorite animatronic on the whole ride because her eyes are weird. The sunshine is amazing.
It's
A little small.
7:49 and we're in line for our 6th ride of the day. The Haunted Mansion.
It's a little small. Yeah, it's scaled down.
It says it's a 30-minute wait. Let's time it. 7:49. Let's time it and see if it's actually 30 minutes.
Your candles are a bit limp, if I may say so. It sounds rude. I didn't mean it to, but you know what I mean? But that's all right. Maybe you're tired. Maybe they're flickering. They're flickering right now. Yeah. Oh, it helps with age. What doesn't? I've been dead 200 years. Don't start with me, youngster. You're a youngster is what you are. Oh, I love those movies. That's well done. Happy Halloween.
When ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. Room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Not to stop dragging bodies into the dead center of the room and kill all lights.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding. Almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions, only ghost stories,
Of course.
and marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known.
Haunted Mansion was only like a 10-minute wait. It was not 30. So we only waited like 10 minutes. And there was a cute little show in the queue. I think the characters change every few minutes or so. But yeah. So that was our 6th ride. And now we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do next.
Little children, I'll take you away.
A tip of the hat from the one and only Dr. Facilier, also known as the Shadow Man.
Shadow Man. Shadow Man.
Now we know indeed some sinister shadows. Well, you're in luck because, ladies, I can deliver.
And what makes you think we call him Shadow Man?
Don't you disrespect me, lady. Don't you derogate or deride. You're in my world now, not your world. And I have friends on the other side.
He's got friends on the other side. Perhaps he knows more.
Well. What have we here?
Well, I might ask the same thing of you. You will. What are you?
What? I'm just an old boogie. The shadow of the moon at night, filling your dreams to the brim with fright.
Winnie! Serious nightmares. Yes. And what makes you so scary, you overstuffed potato sack?
I'm the stuff of your worst nightmare.
But we don't have nightmares. We cause nightmares.
You're joking. I can't believe my eyes. You're talking to me. You gotta be. No matter how she's nice. She's ancient. I don't know which is worse. I might just see now if I don't die laughing first.
Why would you say that? You don't need to tell me. If we thought you'd have come, well, we would have invited you for sure. She's weirder than anybody. It's yours, Haus.
I consider it but an oversight then.
Something going on.
Perhaps you could help us with our Hocus Pocus party potion, so that we may throw the most villainous Halloween party this kingdom has ever seen.
Perhaps.
You're wondering, Your Excellency, if you could help us with the last ingredient.
And that would be
Frightful
or a legend of villainous.
Okay, so during the Halloween party, Pirates has live actors. And look at this cool skull projection. I love it.
Sing your
Hello, Pirates live movie. And there's not usually somebody there. That's just for the party. It would be cooler if they were, though.
Seems like that was a real person.
There's gonna be one on the actual ride, too.
I hope you know this contribution late. If you're in trouble, you let me know.
She's going for the brig.
We're gonna throw her in the brig.
Instead, I had to walk.
Yeah.
Scurvy skunk! Do I hear 10?
10!
shiny, shiny reward. As a real drink out of the shower. I humbly accept this magnificent treasure as one more.
Jack is out.
I don't think we've ever spent this much.
Trick-or-treaters, we're so terribly excited for you to join us tonight as we celebrate the thrills and chills of this season. Be sure to keep your eyes open, for you never know what may happen on Halloween. Disney's Not So Spooky Spectacular begins in just 10 minutes.
Unlike anything you've ever seen. Get ready, for this is Halloween!
Halloween is a night filled with surprises. Playful tricks, frightful treats. What? Anything can happen on Halloween, as some friends found out on a night much like this one. Oh, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh, Zero! Here, boy! Zero! Where is that dog? Ah, there you are, Zero. It's time now to take our friends on a Halloween adventure. One that will not soon forget.
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat for Halloween. Better get that treat that's good to eat if you want to eat nice and free. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, treat.
need. You see, my friends, with a lot of adventure and a bit of fright, Halloween is the greatest of nights. Happy Halloween!
Hear my tale that started long ago on the Sleepy Hollow Trail. When the air is filled with the chill of fall, he's the one who leads them all. From witches' laughter and ghoulish growls to ghosts and monsters on the prowl. With a glowing pumpkin to light the way, he's lurking to find his perfect prey. He's the bringer of Halloween fear. Beware, the headless horseman is here.
Party, and we wanted to show you guys our crazy candy haul. Now there were 4 of us trick-or-treating. We only hit what, maybe 7 or 8 trick-or-treat spots.
I don't even think we hit that many.
We didn't even really hit that many, and we gave away some candy. We've eaten some candy and this is our crazy haul. Yep. So, but we really think that the Halloween party is worth it just for the parade alone. But the fireworks show is amazing, trick-or-treating's fun, and we rode like 10 rides with barely any wait, and we could have done more if we had tried. And we didn't get to the park till 5, but if you are coming to the party, you can get in with a party ticket at 4 p.m. and that gives you 2 hours before the party starts. No, 3 hours.
Well,
2 extra hours.
2 extra
before
hours
the
because
party
they
starts.
start kicking out the
day guests at 6,
yeah.
And the official party starts at 7, and then it runs till midnight. It was we definitely thought it was worth the money. We had a wonderful time, and we can't wait to show you guys the Christmas party in December. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one.